I don't know what it is about Christmas that always makes me want to be on a beach next to an ocean, but here we go with Kenny Chesney's All I Want for Christmas is a Real Good Tan. This is a real good song for you intermediate players out there, so we're going to start off with the chords. The E chord you already know pretty well. First finger, third string, first fret. Middle finger, fifth string, second fret. Ring finger, that's the fourth string on the second fret. Play all 6 strings. And the A, of course, or you can play it like this. Leave off the last string and play it like this. As long as you got the fourth, third, and second string pushed down on the second fret. Any of these work. Now you have 2 chords. You've got a B chord and a B7. I'd play the B like this. First finger, your index finger goes on the 5th string, second fret, and you kind of want to mute the E string so you don't play it too hard, so the B is your lowest note. And then your ring finger lays across 2, 3, and 4, just like for the A chord, only on the 4th fret. Middle finger is just, I'm trying not to flip you off, but it doesn't do anything, just hangs there in the middle. The B7 chord can be played either like this, same position we had, except now instead of laying the ring finger down, I'm going to pick it up, hit the 4th string, 4th fret, and let the pinky get the 2nd string, 4th fret, and the middle finger still doesn't do anything. That means you have to get the 3rd string on the 2nd fret with your 1st finger, all the strings laying down like that. It's really hard keeping pulling the middle finger down like that. Or you can play it the open chord way. Index finger goes on the 4th string, 1st fret, and then middle finger, ring finger, pinky. 5, 3, 1. Play the same 5 strings. F sharp minor 7. Don't panic, it's not that scary. Your index finger is going to go all the way across the 2nd fret. Make sure you get a nice strong F sharp playing, and then your ring finger is going to play the 5th string on the 4th fret. Oh wait, that's all there is to it. The only hard part about this is it means your 1st finger has to play all 5 strings, so it takes a little bit of strength to push it down, but keep practicing, you'll get it. All of us struggled with it at some point. And the C sharp minor 7. Ooh, even scarier. Not really. Your index finger is going to go across the 4th fret to the 5th string, again trying to mute that E string a little bit. Make sure you get a good strong C sharp. And then your middle finger is going to go on the 2nd string, 5th fret, 1 up from the 1st finger. Ring finger is going to reach over and get the 4th string on the 6th fret, or 2 up from your 1st finger. And your 1st finger's got to play all the notes that these aren't on. Now, the reason I keep pointing out to you that this is 1 fret up from the 1st finger, and is because this is a movable chord. You can put these fingers in this position anywhere on the fretboard, and you'll be playing a minor 7 of some. You just have to know what the root is. So here's C sharp minor. Now there are a couple other odd looking ones. The A6, for instance, that happens in the chorus. We're going to play that with the 1st finger, just like the A, except you're actually going to push down the E string. This is what we've been avoiding the rest of the time. So you're going to push your 1st finger down and don't mute the E string, so you're playing an F sharp, which is the 6, as we all know, for A. Don't worry about the music theory, just play the chord. Minor 7, now you remember how I was talking about the movable chords? Well, the F minor 7 is 1, 2, so if you just slide that up to the 4th fret, so your 1st finger goes all the way across the 4th fret, and then your ring finger grabs the 5th string, 2 frets up from that, and you play all 6. And again, the only hard part about this is your 1st finger has to play all the notes. In fact, a good exercise is slide it all the way up toward the middle of your guitar neck, push them all down, just push your 1st finger down if you want, and practice making all those sound. Oops, I don't have that. So move your finger around a little bit until it works. So then try that with the minor 7 position. And again, you get a bad note, kind of fix your, you might have to move your finger around, press a little harder, but practice them that way. And then the G sharp minor 7 is easy, and then the F sharp minor 7 right after that is just you slide down 2 frets. And a brand new bikini, we won't have to worry about the holiday rush. For the C major 7, there's a really easy one you can play down here, which sounds very nice on open chords. But if you play it here, Put your index finger all the way across the 3rd fret. Now back it off ever so slightly so that you're only muting the E string and playing the rest of it. Then your ring finger will go on the 4th string, 2 frets up from your 1st finger. Pinky gets a 2nd string on the 2 frets up as well, on the 5th fret in this case. Now your middle finger is going to go down and it's going to get the 3rd string right between those two, so it's on the 4th fret or the 1st fret up from your index finger. And that's your C major 7. To go from there to the B sus4, it sounds really cool and it's really easy to play to. Pick up your middle finger, slide your 1st finger down to the 2nd fret. Your ring finger follows it, but your pinky stays behind on the 2nd string, 5th fret. It sounds like this. Better over the sound hole, of course. Then your pinky comes down for the B7. So you slide your pinky from the 5th fret to the 4th fret. And that's all the chords. Now there's some interesting licks on this, which we'll cover in later lessons. But right now, let's just get a nice beach rhythm going. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, you might have seen this before in a lot of the Margaritaville type stuff. It's just a nice pseudo country Latin beat. So we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. That's our steady beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we're throwing in a palm mute. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And if you, I'm kind of hitting the guitar with my knuckle, you can do that if you like. Or another neat percussion thing is to scratch. So put your palm mute, this part of your hand, on the strings, and just flick the pick across them. Don't have to hit all. You don't have to hit all of them. In fact, I usually just hit the top two, the 5 and the 6. All I want for Christmas is a real good tan. And I hope all your Christmas dreams come true this year as well. I'm Ben Brown. This has been All I Want for Christmas is a Real Good Tan by Kenny Chesney. Please leave comments in the block below provided for that purpose. If you have any other songs you'd like to learn, please request them there. If I have not been clear about something, please ask me a question. I love complaints. Well, not literally, but. And thank you for watching.